Mungia kami naimathang khori bisingo khopjak 41 mile Amchaio malkhong khongsawo 10 crore rang marini yaba tablet Manjakha naimathang rok bai teliambura bakhastini naimathang rokni ojama panalal sen sawi kharika hatai berem naga point tongnai SI thamsayari ang ambasani fai tongnai TR 01 M3624 lomboni auto malkhong khongsano bathagrei cheri nai tongmani jorawo malkhong bisingo bithi bahai kisa manma bai khami thigei koktoma rohjakha bebak tangbedegono koktoma manei DCM Sandip Deborma kerong fate naimathang rokni ojama tei naimathang bodol rok kuthumoi malkhong mothanaino fanke nailaikhe malkhong mothanaini achuk thai bisingo kaichi cartoon mankha aro 1 lakh tablet bo Manjakha aborokni hati morokma 10 crore paithago malkhong mothanaino Mungia kabi naimathang khoro romitlang jakha
tablet.
So you can see today morning our police service inspector Kasnarai Riang, he was on his regular duty at the 41 mile Naka point. So he searched for there was one auto, he found it suspicious and he went when he tried to search he got some smell of medicine. Then he contacted the OC of the police station and subsequently SDPO Tillamura was also contacted by him. Later on, police has had requisition for executive magistrate from SDM Tillamura, and I was called and I came here for searching. And in my presence, they have searched, and we also have two witnesses. And later on, we found out that there were 10 big packages of 10 big black color packages. And when we opened the packages, there were 5 small packages inside white color, and inside each small package there were 10 blue small packets, and inside one each small packet there were around 200. There were 200 number of tablets. So in total there are 1 lakh yaba tablets, and if we calculate the market value in the international market, it comes around to be 8 crore to 10 crore. So finally we have seized everything, and now we proceed for further. Yes. The driver's name is Suman Mojumdar, and another one is Vikash Dev. And they have been detained, and further investigation will take place, and we'll place them before the court.
Thank you.
Tini pungurawo ani thani officer SI kasna riang ai thani staff ro chini mungia gamyandar actually smile na ka point 24 hours o jaga por routine checking khaipro kaisa auto gari no borok checking haki auto gari ambasani yang mungia kai prin thang tongmani engor checking khaipro boro kaisa bithi bahai manai abo boro sahoka engoi songe ang video DCM sahoka sangari se khai bagai tai independent witness duijon engoi boro moto buisung 조금 피세어로 800여 LDB 사성 세면 보래 정오가리는 사사게 트롤리 사 세면이 보래 오자가워 정가리니 무슨 드라이버 아수다 시콜라워 dos packet 야바 tablet 망카고 정 dos packet 응거로 total 야바 동어 1 lakh tablet 동어 야바 하티고 바자로 바자르니 템도 바자르 물도 세미하고 인터내셔널 마켓 돌리고 브라 마켓 올라이 이제 संगठन को सेमन होगो जे और तिना रोमन 1 लाख जे या बात रोमन होन बाजार मूल्य होंगे प्राइस 10 कोटी है जमा बरनी फाइनल बरो एक्चुअली जोंहाबो बरनी फाइसन ताम दङ डिस्क्लोज होयको आबो जों इनभेस्ट बरमना अबन बागै सिनि सीएम त्रिपुरानि जे सीएम नि जों निर्देश अनुसार तासिन डीजीपी नि निर्देश अनुसार प्रत्येकटा जागामा ताबो हाइवे ओ नागा चलै दङ बे जतो जागाना चेकिं बो खलाइजगो हेबनो जतो गारि चेकिं खाइमियाङे पारं पाके ताबुक तो सिनर मानजाखा तो त्रिपुरा पुलिसो जतटुकु सम्भव ओ ड्रग्स न जों डिटेक्ट खाने बगै चेष्टा खालामदों
गारिनि नाम्बार बेसेक सर
TR 01M 3624 अटो गारि
जे बरक मानमानि बरकनि मुं तामो सदे
काइसेनि बुं ओंखाय बिकास देव जे ड्राइभार ओंखाय बिन लगे ताय खरसा दङ सुमन मजुमदार
सर जेम
कामि